Welcome back to our Integrated Seed Solutions video series. Today I have with me our favorite agronomist, Robert Clark, and our favorite sales manager, Brad Shoemaker. As we discussed last week, there's billions of dollars that goes into ag research each year. They shared with us a few technologies that will be used in the future, maybe 3 to 5 years out. Today we want to spend some time talking about what products and technologies you can use on your operation this season and next season. So Robert, tell us what corn products we have coming into our lineup in the near future.
So I'm extremely excited here for the upcoming growing season to introduce a new 111-day SmartStax hybrid 1122 SS. At the same time, we're going to be introducing a new 113-day SmartStax hybrid 1332 SS.
Robert, a new 113-day? How's that going to compare to 6368? It's been the industry leader. It's the benchmark out there what he wants to compare to. It's been the one that's hauled the mail the last few years. 113-day?
So we've been in search of that new 113-day for quite a few years now, and I think we finally found it with 1332. So this is going to be the next generation hybrid that takes that next step in yield for us. And with 6368, it's got a few bumps in the road along the way with it, but at the same time, we're looking at improved in-season health, improved late-season intactness and standability, and that's going to be a hair nicer to us on the moisture side of things as well. So 6368's been a phenomenal product for us, but we're extremely excited about the future with 1332.
So with you said 111, I mean, this is going to fit right in there with the new stuff we just came out with. We came out with the 0931 this past year, 6078, and on the late season 1521. So you really think this new 111 day is going to be a nice complement for that?
Yeah, so like I just talked about with the 1332, it brings a lot of similarities with that. Extremely high yield potential, taking that next step over some of these products you just talked about. I think we look at like 6078 for an example. That's truly a racehorse type product that we want to put on the best ground and manage at a high level. So 1122 is going to give us a little bit more flexibility going forward. We have a little bit more versatility with it, some better in-season plant health, and just an overall more consistent product, I think, is what we're going to find out of that one with that extremely high top-end yield potential.
So what you're saying for integrated seed customers, we're really looking at, we're going to have a tremendous lineup from 109 to 115 day. We're going to have the best of the best in the industry leaders.
We're looking at new products that are going to beat our existing lineup, and I think that's a good day any way you want to frame that up.
Sounds like we have some new exciting hot products coming out on the corn side, but as we know, our research dollars don't only go toward corn, but they also go towards soybeans. So tell us, what do we have coming out in the soybean world?
So we are extremely excited to introduce the new XtendFlex lineup for this upcoming year in 2021. I think as we look down the road at what we're going to get our hands on this fall and what we're going to see for the upcoming 2022 growing season, we've really solidified that late Group 2 to early Group 3, mid-Group 3 lineup, and I think that's where our most exciting products are coming in for this upcoming year.
All right, Robert, just like the typical agronomist, you're going to say, well, you've got to be leaning on one of them. I know you, Robert. I mean, there's got to be some. So if we pull back the curtain, which one should they really be watching out for?
You're probably going to want to keep your eyes on the new 3352. We got a couple more, but I think that's the most exciting for what we're going to bring to the table in terms of new yield.
So if I'm reading between the lines, we better keep a hard look on the 3.3 maturity for soybeans in the Stone lineup in this coming season.